Hi everyone, Lisa here for the Graphics Fairy. Today I have a quick tip for you, and it's aging Scotch tape that you can use in your junk journals and mixed media art projects. This tip comes to us from one of our amazing design team members, Beth Wallen of Beth's Journal Boutique. Thank you, Beth. I'll put the link to Beth's channel in the description below. So I've been working on this baby journal today using images from the membership site, and let me show you how easy it is to make the tape that I used in this. So you just need a piece of wax paper, some Scotch tape, some alcohol inks, or I have used this Tim Holtz Distress ink in the color Vintage Photo, which is a brown. And all you need to do is tear off a sheet of wax paper and a piece of Scotch tape, which you'll press down onto the wax paper. And then ink up your applicator and just dab it over the tape. And I've found that it seems to work best if I kind of dab it and then pull it. And you can make it as light or dark as you want. You can make the edge darker, which I think gives it a really authentic look. And then once you remove it from the backing, you will have a really authentic looking aged tape. Isn't that cool? So here is how I've used it in my journal today. I cut not only the length, but I cut the width of it down a little bit, and I used it to hold down this postcard. Then I put a piece here, and I also used pieces to hold the corners of this piece down. I think it looks just like they would have done it back in the day. So I hope you like this quick tip. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and give us a follow here at the Graphics Fairy YouTube channel. If you can think of a great use for this tape, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. And if you have any quick tip ideas, I'd love to hear that too. Take care. Bye-bye.